Hey everybody! So we have a haul today. If this is your first time to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. It'll really help me out. So we're gonna start, and I know it's dark in here. I have every light on, but it's not helping. So we will start out with knocking everything over. We have beef taco filling. Let's see. A 12 pack of the Hereford brand. So we got a container of that. Maybe as I move some of this, it will help the lighting. And then somebody loves tape. We have a 4-pack of the chata seasoned chicken meat for Mexican food. I thought that would be really good for tamales, enchiladas, whatever. This is a 6-pack of pink lemonade to replace the lemonade that was recalled, and this is the 4C brand. Then I got a kitchen scale because most of the bread recipes measure the flour and stuff, and I did not have a kitchen scale. I have another packet of the powdered whole eggs, and this is already vacuum sealed for you in Mylar, so that is good to go. I got a container of wild dried mixed mushrooms. Love those. They have the trumpet mushrooms in there, which I love, love, love. I got 2 bottles of this Palmy strained tomatoes, and I like using these bottles for canning like barbecue sauce and stuff. Yes, there are some things that I reuse in canning, and I got these on Misfit Market, and you can get items for 1 penny. They have 1 penny items, and this was on there, so I got it for 1 penny. I got some apples as well, some green apples, because I'm going to make some apple sage pork chops. I got some sugar plum grape tomatoes, and I also got some broccoli, butter lettuce, purple sweet potatoes, the regular orange sweet potatoes, butter lettuce, sage, and I think that's it. That's all I can remember right now. It's all in the refrigerator. I got a package of citric acid, and that is for canning, cooking, and candy making. Oh, and I got this in my Misfit box, some whole grain pita, so I think I will make falafel one night. We're gonna have tacos tonight. I got a case of apple juice. I love apple juice. Juice at the grocery store is really hard to get. I got some Parmesan cheese. I got a 24-pack of the Bumblebee white chicken. So there's that. I got some more fruit, strawberry pie filling and topping. So now I have blueberry, strawberry, and cherry, so I'm good for that. No more of that. I got a case of the Stag Silverado beef chili with beans. And need to find a new place for my cutting boards. And I got a case of ranch style beans. My husband eats over a case of beans a month. So, and then I got some Deep River barbecue potato chips. So, that is my haul. I'm gonna put it all away. I made the Krusty's cinnamon swirl coffee cake or whatever, and it is delish, so you all should try that. The Krusty's brand, you only need a few things to make it, and you can use your prep items like your powdered egg, but I think it was just egg and water. So I'm gonna start putting this away so I can start dinner. We're gonna have tacos. I hope you all have a blessed, safe, healthy new year. Spend it with the people you love. Enjoy and be prepared for those prices going up in January. It's gonna be an experience, so we'll see what's going to happen this year. So stay prepared, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video. Happy New Year.